Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics that actually block purchases. First, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID in iTunes or the App Store. Mismatched accounts cause declines. Once signed in, inspect the payment method and billing address. Banks reject mismatches. Then confirm network stability. Switch Wi-Fi off then on, or toggle airplane mode to re-establish a clean connection. These immediate checks fix most transient purchase failures. Next, address system and payment complexities that persist. Update your device to the latest iOS or Mac OS and restart. Outdated software sometimes blocks App Store transactions. Then inspect restrictions or screen time settings to ensure in-app purchases aren't disabled, and verify family sharing purchase permissions. If the card is declined, add Apple ID balance or try an alternate card. Contact your bank to clear holds. Once done, attempt the purchase again to see if the block lifted. To complete the fix, try the purchase from Apple's web store or another device to isolate the issue. If it still fails, sign out of your Apple ID, restart, sign back in, or reset network settings to clear lingering glitches. Restore purchases where applicable. If none of this works, contact Apple support with the transaction time, device model, and billing info. Troubleshooting tip: check for pending subscriptions, unpaid invoices, or temporary holds on the card. Resolving those usually restores purchasability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.